What's up, Faithpreneur? Stephanie Mays here with SMays Designs with your brand in mind. And today is Web Wednesday, which means I'll be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. So today I'm going to talk about pre-launch, what to do before launching your website. After I develop a website for a client, there are a list of things that need to be done before the website goes live and we launch for the whole world to see. This stage is very important because first impressions are lasting impressions. And the last thing that you want to do is launch a new site and your site visitors discover that something isn't working or is misspelled or doesn't make sense. That would be embarrassing for both my client and myself as the website developer. We are all human, so mistakes and oversights are definitely possible. That's why it's important to incorporate a phase for testing and review prior to launching your website. A lot of the testing and checking that I do is actually done during the development process and then repeated after development is completed. This just helps me to save time and makes the process more efficient because depending on the size of the website, this process can take a little time. There are several things that I have to check, but just to give you a general idea of what needs to be done to prepare your site for launch, I'll just list a few. For websites that are being redesigned and will have a new domain, it is important to do what is called a permanent redirect or 301 redirect. This will let browsers know to redirect users to your website's new location. So if any web user types in your old domain, it'll automatically take them to the new one. Another thing that I check is the copy and media. Now, these are elements that I check during the development process and check again prior to launch. When checking the website copy, I make sure that there are no spelling and grammar errors. And when checking the media, I make sure that all images and video are displaying properly for both mobile and desktop view. Aside from the images and media, it's also important to make sure that the website layout is displaying properly and sensibly on different devices. So I check to make sure that the site is responsive and mobile friendly so that the website looks just as good on a cell phone as it does on a desktop computer. Now, even though Google Chrome is the most popular web browser, web users do utilize other browsers and they're not all created equal. For this reason, it's important to test the website across browsers to make sure that it functions and displays properly no matter which browser is used. Functionality is another aspect that I check during the testing phase. This is done by checking buttons, links, and forms. I click every link and button to make sure it leads to where it's supposed to or activates the function it's supposed to, like a pop-up or drop-down menu. I test every form to make sure that it validates the fields for correct information, submits properly, and is received. Lastly, I check speed. If a website's pages are taking too long to load, that means that something needs to be optimized so that the page will load faster. Now, there are several other things, but these are some of the main things that are tested before launching a website. By testing prior to launch, I'm able to ensure that the website will give your brand a professional presentation and provide the best quality user experience. Well, that concludes my Web Wednesday topic for today. If you found this topic helpful, make sure to like and share. And if you would like more insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. And also, if you like this shirt that I'm wearing, this is one of my new designs that I just recently launched. If you like it and you want one for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description box and order yours today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.